In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to pay your quarterly estimated taxes online 3 different ways. This is going to help you avoid the IRS's underpayment of estimated tax penalty, which is usually applied when you don't pay enough taxes during the year as you earn it. So the first thing you want to do is go to irs.gov, and then you're going to select Make a Payment. And then you're going to come to the Make a Payment page where you have 3 different options. Let's go through the direct pay with bank account method. You're going to click here on direct pay, and then you're going to come down and select personal tax payment. The only time you select business tax payments is if you're filing a 1120S or 1120, which is corporations, or single member LLCs filing as an S Corp, or if you have a partnership. Single member LLCs and sole proprietors and any other taxpayer is going to pay the individual tax. So you're going to click Pay Individual Tax. You're going to click here, Make a Payment, and then it's going to bring you to the direct pay screen. Now you want to make sure you choose the correct reason for the payment, and that is estimated tax. And then you want to make sure you apply it to the 1040 ES for forms 1040, 1040A, and 1040 EZ. And then it's automatically going to default to 2025 because you can't make estimated taxes for any prior years or any future years. It's only going to apply to the current year. You'll hit continue. You're going to confirm this. And then with direct pay, you have to do a identity verification, choosing any tax year, entering your filing status and your name and all this other identifying information. And then from there, you'll continue to make the payment. Make sure you also print and save a copy of the receipt once you're done, because you're going to need that information to enter on your tax return so that they deduct it off of the tax liability that calculates for you when you file. The second option is by using your debit, credit card, or digital wallet through a third-party payment processor. So you're going to click on that button, and then you have 2 processors to choose from. It tells you the different fees that they charge, Pay 1040 or ACI payments. Let's try Pay 1040. So we're going to choose a tax category. Remember, it's personal tax. We're going to choose a tax form. Remember, it's Form 1040 ES. And then again, it's going to default to 2025. And then you're going to enter the amount of your payment. Your filing location, is it within the U.S. or outside the U.S.? And then we're going to click Next, where they're going to collect your taxpayer identifying information. You'll make your payment on the 3rd screen. You'll review all the information on the 4th screen, and you will get your receipt. Make sure you save and print it so that you'll have it for your records when you file your taxes. So let's look at ACI payments real quick. You're going to click Make a Payment, and then it's going to bring you to this screen. Okay, over here we're doing personal tax again. Our form is the 1040 series, and here we are making a 1040 ES estimated tax payment. It's going to ask you to enter the amount. So select the payment option you choose. For this example, I'm just going to do this so I can show you. Once you accept the terms after you make the payment, then it's going to collect your taxpayer information, right? So it can apply it to your tax account. And then from there, you will review and submit. You'll get your payment confirmation. Make sure you save and print a copy for your records. And last but not least, we're going to pay from our IRS account. We're going to do the individual online account. Remember, the business account is for our C Corps, our single member LLCs filing as an S Corp, or our partnerships. So we're going to click here, Pay in Online Account. And then you're going to sign in. If you don't have an account, you can create an account. I recommend you create an account so you can always make your payments and check on your balances, apply for payment arrangements and things like that. So once you log into your IRS account, it will tell you any balance that you have. And then you can click here to make a payment. Now with the IRS account, the only option you have is to pay by bank account. If you click on pay by card, it's going to take you out to that third party page where we got to the pay 1040 and ACI payments. So like I said, this is your only option. So you'll select your payment type, which is estimated tax, the year, it's always going to be the current year, the amount you want to pay, your payment date. And then when you hit next, it's going to take you through the other 3 pages. You're going to enter your payment details. You're going to review everything and hit submit if you're fine with everything. And then you'll get a payment status and a confirmation page. As I stated, make sure you print this page and save it for your record so you can apply this estimated tax payment onto your tax return when you file. And that's it. 3 ways to pay your quarterly estimated taxes online. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I drop a simple tax walkthrough video every week. Count.